Ok, on enregistre.
This is Zachary, who is now 14 months, and he really loves shoes, apparently, and likes to talk about them. So, Zach, tell us what kind of shoes you got there.
C'est les Pumas.
Really? And can you show us your favorite pair?
C'est les Pumas que Fredo lui a donné. Youpi! Ouais.
They're very nice, eh, those Pumas? And what about the Crocs? Do you like those too? Yeah. And what about those? Do you like your Robies? Really? Yeah, they're brown and blue. Tell us some more. Yeah, those are the ones you wear all the time. Don't shake, you're making the camera shake. Yeah, and what about the sandals? Yeah. Oh, sandals. Do you like the sandals? Yeah, you got so many pairs. Puma. Yeah, shoes. Yes. Those are for the summertime when it's warm outside. Really?
Zach, t'es trop drôle. Oh my God.
Okay, I think you should stop that. Really? You're so excited you're drooling all over yourself. Really? Yeah? Those ones are really nice, eh? Yeah. Crocs. Did you stop it?
Non. C'est les souliers? Non, pas dans la bouche.
No.
Non.
Zach, can you give us a big smile? Zachary? Okay, sweetie, stop it, because otherwise it's too long. Zach, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Zach.
Say bye-bye.
Zachary, bye-bye.
No, he's too busy. Got shoes to examine. No, not in your mouth, please.